Hey guys, David here, and in this video I would like to go ahead and go deeper into my CB Moneyvine review and talk more about how to make money with CB Moneyvine. So in this video we're going to jump into the members area of CB Moneyvine, and then I'm going to talk to you about how I would go about promoting the CB Moneyvine system, and as well I'm going to talk to you about the traffic bonuses that I have prepared for you if you decide to pick up CB Moneyvine below this video in the description, the link inside the description. So let's go ahead and jump into CB Moneyvine right now. So I'm inside the members area of CB Moneyvine, and this is what it's going to look like when you pick up CB Moneyvine. And your income status is going to say active and monetized. That means that you can promote this system and make money in the back end through it. So how CB Moneyvine works is you're going to be promoting a done for you system, and then other people are going to sign up underneath you on a page like this. So whenever you give out your affiliate link, they're going to sign up underneath you like this, and they join for free. But the only way that they can stay inside the system is by purchasing a ClickBank offer from you, from your affiliate link every single month. So that's how it works. That's how you're going to make money, is you're going to get people to sign up underneath your affiliate link. And then in order to stay in the system and to promote the same system that you're promoting, they have to buy a ClickBank product that is hard-coded with your affiliate ID. So this is where you put your ClickBank affiliate ID. And then this is where, all the way down here, this is your invite link right here. So this is basically your affiliate link for the system. So people would click on this link and then join underneath you. Whenever you give away that link, the page looks like this. So they're going to see this headline here. They're going to see this welcome video. And then all they have to do is put in their email, join for free, and they get hard coded into your affiliate link. So now let's go ahead and talk about how I would go ahead and promote CB Moneyvine in order to make money. So I would actually be using YouTube. So here's my YouTube channel. This is actually one of the reviews that I did for CB Moneyvine. But I would actually do things like I would type in how to make money with affiliate marketing, and I would create viral videos based off of other people's videos. So John Cristani, he's actually a really good guy to model after. So Franklin Hatchett, Kevin David. So I would just make viral videos on how to make money online, how to make passive income, how to build a business online, different keywords like that. And then what I would do is I would place my affiliate link at the inside the description, and I would just continue to promote CB Moneyvine over and over again, and that's how I would make money. So I wouldn't necessarily target a bunch of different review terms, even though I'm doing that currently. I would also go ahead and start a YouTube channel and then make these viral videos with keywords that have to do with making money online, a done-for-you system, how to build a business online. Let's see some other ones: how to make $100 per day on YouTube, how to make $100 per day online, how to make money online for beginners. Like, I would target all those keywords, and I would place my affiliate link inside there and just continue to promote that system. So that's how I would do and make money with CB Moneyvine. So I want to talk real quickly about the bonuses that I have for you if you decide to pick up CB Moneyvine from the link down below this video inside the description. So bonus number one is I'm going to teach you how to rank YouTube videos. So I'm constantly ranking YouTube videos on my Infoman channel right here, and I'm going to give you the strategies that I use to rank YouTube videos step by step using advanced SEO, YouTube SEO, so that you can outrank other channels that are actually bigger than you. So that's a custom bonus right there. Bonus number two is advanced YouTube hacks. So this is step-by-step video training where I'm going to show you things that nobody else wants to share, because I'm using a secret system to promote all of my videos on YouTube. And this is where I'm going to reveal it at in bonus number two. Now, bonus number three is I'm going to show you how to rank inside of Quora. So I'm going to show you how to get tons of traffic by outranking other people's answers inside of Quora. So when people search inside of Quora for a specific question, yours is the one that will go at the top of Quora. So that's a really cool bonus right there. Bonus number four is I'm going to teach you how to make money on Facebook with CB Moneyvine system. So I'm going to show you how to get a bunch of buyers onto your personal Facebook profile. I'm going to show you how to get tons of affiliate clicks on that specific CB Moneyvine affiliate link that you're going to get inside the system. Bonus number 5 is another video training. I'm going to show you how to get Instagram followers. So you can basically place your affiliate link from CB Moneyvine in your Instagram profile, and then people will just click it automatically over time, organically, and you can make money that way. So I just wanted to shoot this quick video to explain the CB Moneyvine system a little bit further, how I would go about promoting it, and just talk to you guys about some of the bonuses that I have for you. So if you're interested at all in CB Moneyvine's system, you can get there through the link down below, which will take you to my bonus page. If you click on any of these green buttons, it will take you to the sales page, which looks like this. So I hope that you've enjoyed this mini review and how I would go about promoting CB Moneyvine. I'm David the Infoman, and I will see you next time.